Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the power supply unit on a Vizio 40-inch TV. We bought this TV about a year and 2 months ago, and it worked pretty good for about a year, and then it started acting funny, and then the TV wouldn't come on and the little power light would just flash on and off. Anyway, the light was going on and off, and I went on the internet and I checked with Vizio, and they got a thing on their website telling probable causes. It says the power supply is probably no good, so I decided to check into it, see how much a power supply would cost, instead of buying a new TV. So I went all over on the internet and I found this place called Shop Jimmy. I am not sponsored by them, but I am telling you because maybe you might want to try it. I paid $35.95 for the power supply unit and like $5 shipping charges. So probably about $42 altogether. So today I'm going to take this Vizio TV apart. Here it is. It's a 40-inch, and one important thing to do is when you're going to do the TV, the important thing is to get the right model number on it. Vizio is pretty good about it. It's on the back of the TV, okay, and it's right in there. Let me focus into it. You gotta make sure you get the right model number, otherwise you'll get the wrong part. So look on the TV for the model number, and you will get the right part that way. Okay, so I'm gonna take this back off the TV. I'm gonna take this thing out. What's going on here? There you go. And I'm gonna take the back off and show you the power unit and take it out. And I got a new one here from Shop Jimmy. It took them about a week to get it. So hold on while I set up this camera. I have to get things here. Okay, guys. I'm back. And I am going to cut this open and get this out so we can put it on here. They seal it pretty good. I'll be sure I don't cut the part. My knife needs sharpening, apparently. I've been using it for cutting some wood on my front porch. So yeah, it's dull. There we go. Get that out of there. Box out. Okay. Now we're going to make sure this is the right unit, because they said the unit number. I always check the part itself, make sure they're identical. but I've never had a problem with Shop Jimmy. I've bought other stuff from them for different things. There's the they put it in paper to help keep it from jarring around. Plus in a bubble bag. Okay, it's in this plastic bag. And here's the new parts. This is the new part. And the old part. Do they look the same? They look exactly the same to me. If you notice on the old part, this capacitor looks like it's kind of different color, like it's burnt gray or something. See it? You can see that how it looks like a little gray, and this one's more blackish color. That might be the thing that burned out, because you can see the difference in the color. Well, anyway, let's put the new one in. And we'll try it out after we get it in and see how it works. Okay. See if we can slide this thing in here. I don't know if you guys can see it as good as I can, but let's see. We gotta get this thing into these. There's a little thing here. You can probably take this off, make it a little easier, but you don't need to. Just need to get it into this thing. That's why I loosened it up, so you slide it in there. Let's get this through. Pull this back out. There you go. Get that. Come on. There we go. Line your screws up. Make sure all your cords are back on. And now let's hold the cord back in. 4 of them. Always hand tight. Don't use an electric drill, screwdriver, or anything like that. You can use it on the case if you take the cover off, but on the printed circuit board, it's best if you do it by hand, because if you strip it out, it won't get the contact ground that it needs to make it work. Pretty good. The ribbon wires are really hard to get back in, so it takes a little bit of, what's it called? I can show you up close when I try to do it. Here we go. Put in the power. It's not plugged in. TV's not plugged in, so make sure you always unplug it before you work on it, because you could die. All these little connectors back in. Now got a little clip on it. There we go, clip. Now let me get you down here so you can maybe see this a little better. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can bring that camera up closer. I don't know if you can see this ribbon wire right here. It's really hard to get into the spawn. Coming out is not easy, but going in is even worse. You gotta get it into the little bitty slot. There's 2 tabs on each side, and you gotta get it right in there. And you gotta push it in as good as you can. So that one actually went in pretty good. Now you gotta snap that, snap back down. If you don't snap it down, it won't make good contact. it won't work. This little one always gets a fit because you get older, your hands don't work as good as they used to. Oh man, I have a little problem with these little ones. Anyway, the same way you gotta get it up underneath that tank. But on the left and the right, just a little. Bring that camera closer. Actually see that lip. Get it off of here. So take it off of this holder here, and then you can see it better. Okay. Here we go. You see, right here, on here, there's a lip. If you can see, there's a lip on this side and there's a lip on that side. You gotta take this wire, see those two little tabs? You gotta fit underneath that lip. And it's not easy to get them. It looks easy, but it's not. See, I got one side, but not the other. And it takes a little conniving and hard to do with one hand, but I think I got it this time. Gotta get it all the way in. You hear the click? And then fold that little black tab down and holds it in. This one here, I don't know, it kind of looks crooked. I'm gonna try, see if I can push it in a little bit farther. These are called ribbon wire. Anyway, here we go. I will go back now, so it's a little farther out. So you can put the cover back on, and then we will try the TV. Okay, let's see, let's go farther out. Wrong way. There we go. Alright guys, I'm going to put this cover back on. It's all tightened down, the printed circuit board is now. You gotta get these USBs, make sure you put the USBs and stuff in the slot. So you gotta get it like that, slide it down. Actually, that was easy that time. Sometimes they're so hard. Put this one back in here. This is the one that holds the plastic over your stereo and your antenna. There's no special way to put these in, but I have learned with these TVs that the top, like these things that hold it to a TV mounting bracket, they're actually the only ones that hold it. This one here is just screwed into the plastic. This is a metal, and it gets screwed to the metal frame on the TV. Where this just is screwed into the plastic. So I always try to get the top ones as tight as possible. So this way they don't rattle loose. If you move your TV around, some people do. This TV's from our spare bedroom, and actually you watch TV in there quite a lot. This is quite a part of the house. It's in the back of the house, there's no traffic. Lots of windows there, so nice place to sit. Okay guys, now I got all that together. Now I will take and set this TV. I do it on my living room couch instead of a table because the table seems like a good place, but the TV, I try to stand it up. There's a pillow, so it's up here behind it. There we go. I'll plug it in. Oh, I gotta go get the remote control. Be right back, guys. Yeah. How I fixed this TV. Okay, guys. This is my wife's flowers. Lots of flowers inside the house, ain't it? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna set you up over here so you can see, like me, if this TV will work now. Well, it said Vizio more than it said before. Before it wouldn't even come on. There we go. There we go. Let's see if we can get something to play. See if the volume and everything works on it, because sometimes that goes out. There it is. T.V. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's too good. Maybe have too much glare. The crazy. The remote control for this TV is also controlling my living room TV. Can you see the TV? Vizio makes a pretty good TV. The color's pretty good, but well, it looks like it works. Alright, guys. An 80s movie. Alright, guys. You can see it works. So, let's call this a video. Excuse me. Sorry, guys. Well, thanks for watching my channel, and I hope it may help some of you. If you got an old TV that's not working, and an LED TV anyway. I don't know about OLEDs or old TVs, but these newer ones are more easier to fix. And the power boards are so cheap. I think that's why they go out. They make them cheap so they can make money out of them. Sell a bunch of them, people throw them away instead of fixing them. Anyway, if you got one and you need it fixed, there's how it comes out. It works. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.